Monkey City. It's about time, isn't it? So yeah, this is a special mission. Monkey City Mobile. So yeah, before like this video, special mission. Take a roll over. Monkey Engine. Monkey Engine. It's so cables to get out, but not so yeah. So I need to do it for the park. So look. No, this is not good. I'll use the calendar after this. And then like the can disappear. So yeah. Just good videos. Please like, don't comment down below. Don't comment down below, please. So please don't comment down below. So don't like. Hurt my feelings. Well, some of you comment bad words in my videos. So yeah, just let you know. Oh no, get ready for camo. In round day. Maybe then 7 minutes to it is camo. So we can round out to it because it's for all o'clock. I don't think we're going to lose this one. Let's put this back. Help. I wish we were just taking points like so. So yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, everything what I've done on useful things. It says just comment, but it said like or subscribe or don't comment bad words. I forgot about that. I have great news. Great news is it's about Algodo Marble Race 6. It will be live at 5th of April. 5th of April. It will come tomorrow. So yeah. I did a 10 from Candy Plate on video where I did in the Google. I meant to put 10, but I don't. I decided to do it at the 5th. So yeah. Because I haven't uploaded Marble Races for 5 months. So that was long. I'll do Marble Race 7. I'm not sure about that. Maybe May or something. So Marble Races are coming back soon, or I might do 100 of them. Yeah, I might do. I'll do Marble Race 7, but for this month, in this month, but it's 8th. Next week. Come on, anything. I do not good. We go, we made it some 1 or 2 better. 1 or 2 better. Quite a cannon. I sometimes forget to upgrade my cannon. So in this video, for some of you who didn't listen what I've told you to do, some didn't subscribe, and I hate people who didn't subscribe. Kinder Playtime subscribed to me. He decided to subscribe to me and say, "Oh, I'm amazing. I love your channel. I love that channel, which is my channel." Kinder Playtime loves this channel. Fidros. He just cares what people put sometimes, maybe. Or Nettie. Nettie, this is my net. My mum's friend net and Artie Nettie. I have some Arties as well. Artie Nettie's only got 1 Fidros. That's not good news. 1 Fidros is rubbish. So it's 10-second one from 2013. So yeah. 2013 was a while ago. It was 2 years ago before Nettie uploaded a video. So she probably joined on YouTube at 2007 or something. That is a while ago, and the updates on 2007 on YouTube is crap. I like it now. I like the new updates from a couple of years ago. We've got switch myself. Cold water now. Need that for the last round. Need that for the final round 15. Round 15. But that's the last round anyway, don't we? I always base up to round 15. Round 15 is really hard because it's about ceramics. And ceramics is quite tricky from that hills. I wish I was brilliant. I wish this game has all rounds being much easier. And all games are hard. Some games are really easy. I like easy stuff. I don't like hard stuff. Don't about put loads of spikes there. Up to 30 of them. I don't think I have enough to push for 30. Oh, I think it's yourself. Just yourself. Yeah. You go. Do that for the last one's very experience. So I might take this down looks like there's a couple other balloons there, other balloons like yeah, some stuff for the spike factory as well. And we all beat it! Finally, I've beaten it so far. I need 30 spikes. Yeah, I've got some bucket engines. I got some delicious engines. a treat. Oh my god, those hunters. That's good. I thought there's some booze as well. Let me check some food. No, it doesn't damage it. See if I've got that. I love you. So we put 3. So basic. Let's beat this one. Well, I'm gonna look at the art. What's in there? Oh, this map. I haven't been in this map before. I haven't been in this map before in my life. No spy factory, not fair. Not fair, no spy factories. But we need to go for those delicious boats. Delicious boats. Don't need ninja there. Don't fit on water. All the submarines and those monkey ship thing. All the 2 towers. All the fit in those water. Which is those and the submarine. I haven't got a submarine because I have to earn it from the special mission. I might earn that if I'm on level 18 or something. You'll have loads of cannons. A load more ninjas. A lot more boats. And a lot more lights. And a lot more money to spend on. That would be nice. A lot. So yeah. I love this game. This game is my favourite. And BC Bells and BC5. Ninja Kiwi games and BC4. And BC4. I love Ninja Kiwi games. I like BC4, BC5, Monkey City, and Bloons Speed DD Battles. Those are my favourite games. It's a shame I haven't got no spy factory because it's last one. Because it's locked. It won't let me use the spike factor. Right. Maybe the sniper for legs or maybe the... Yeah, I got the sniper. For legs. And we've got one upgrade in there. That's a shame. It's really a shame. Why are they blacks or whites yet? I don't know. Come on, whites and blacks, I'm waiting for you too. Are you busy or something? Monkey City, are you busy sending blacks or whites? No pinks or what? Stupid pink Bloons. Stupid evil Bloons are trying to get past my defense in this game. Yeah, we definitely need a Bloon for the more popping power. And to get a bit more defense to pop the blacks easier. And whites. And zebras if they come. I'm not sure if zebra's going to come in this track. I'm not sure about some. Oh, I just saw one white balloon bottom left. I just saw some white balloons. But the rainbow ones, what? Rainbow ones are more tricky than natural balloons like that. Normally are blues. Oh, there's some whites again. Where's blacks? Where the hell is black gone? Oh, there's blacks. Patsy decided to go white balloons first. White balloons are a bit easier than blacks. Blacks are more stronger than whites. At white balloons, you pop with cannon. Cannon pops white balloons, but not blacks. White balloons are just extra pinks. A bit better than white pinks. A bit harder than pinks, because they're a little bit more layers. White balloons are easier than blacks. I wish there was orange balloons. I don't know what's going on with orange balloons. The orange balloons can be the hardest. Hardest are little balloons like Sonic. Well, it'll be harder than Sonic, so you have to pop 15 balloons before they turn to fruit. Couple Sonic. Orange balloons. What orange one like a Sonic? Or purple balloon. Or magenta, or maybe even cayenne. This is like red. Cayenne's like red, not blue, light blue. I don't know why people put cayenne which is light blue. It's not. It's wrong. It's light red. Mum told me it was light red. I don't think she's white. I think Candy Player Shine. Or Marble Races people or what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it was white or not. I think it's kind of a bit lighter blue. Cayenne is, I think. Lime is like really light blue. Daddy Lion is yellow. Type of yellow. Really light green. Lime is light green. What you see on someone's channel, which is coin sign or something. Cause can't go through something. Him. He hasn't uploaded for a year. But he probably uploaded 2 videos on BFBZA 6. I don't know why the most post this yet. Because they are arseholes. Just joke. Because they probably really busy to make BGDA 6 with Jack or something. Just an upload for the year of Jack or something. The uploads cost shows to make like an Evan Sally. Looks like Evan Sally, but it's not. It's a bit different. It's about different people, different type of name. Never done Sally is quite good. It's quite funny because of paper. I don't want to go on this. I want to go on that. Why is it telling me this already? I want to use the left one. Silly girl. This game is a girl. Just joking with your game. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.